Hey there, Heather Boyd Wire here, and today I'm making another name out of wire. Now these names can be used as pendants or as embellishments on greeting cards or in scrapbooks. So I had a request from Shawn, aka Anointed Song on YouTube, to make their name out of wire. So I'm just going to start with the S, and I'm going to use this brown copper wire. Try something a little bit different. And I have all this artistic copper wire that I like to use. This one is 20 gauge, and we can make a loop there, or you can just simply bend it back like this and bring it around here, and we're going to start to form the S. So just a regular kind of S, not necessarily a cursive S. This is how I usually do my S's. And then bend it back to the front and start to bring it around here. So we're going to go around here, and then we want to form the H. So we're going to take the little round pliers, bring it up, and it's what kind of starts like looking like a L. So we're going to bring like around like that, looks like an L, and then we want to bend this to the front. So we're going to, with your fingernail or with the pliers, you can bend this up to the front. Up here, make a nice little bend. And if, you know, it ends up being bent too high up, you can adjust the top of the L type thing so it's even. And then take your larger round pliers and form that part of the H. Bring this around. So there we have our SH. And then we want to do the A. So the A is basically a circle. So we're going to bring it around with our larger round pliers, or the larger end of your small round pliers. Make a complete circle and then bring the wire to the back. And then you want to bend this to the front. So we're going to hold this with our pliers and bring that to the front. So we have SHA, and now we want to form the W. So we're just going to bring that around here. So just like that. And then to form the W, you want to bend the wire to the back. So we're going to take this, hold it with the pliers, and bend it to the back. And then do another little loop like that. Bring it around. And same thing, we could bring it to the back. And then one more for the W. Bring it up. Okay, so we're going to just make sure the bottom loops are even. Okay, and then the best way to get from the W to the N is you can actually bend it back like we were doing before, but instead of going all the way down, we're going to just hold it at the top of that kind of loop and then bring it up here to form the ends. We're going to bring it up here and then just hold it in your pliers and then bring that down, and now you want to form the ends. So bring it up a little more if you have to. Bring this down. And then what you want to do is imagine like the bottom of the N here. Hold it in your pliers. And then push this to the front with your thumb. And now you're just going to form the top loop of the N. So it's going to look something like that. Now if your loop there isn't big enough, use your larger pliers around here, and then we're going to just bend this straight across, even with the bottom of the name. So there we have Shawn right there, and I thought it would be fun to do a musical note. So we're just going to take our round pliers here and just start to form a musical note. You can put a little space in between them if you want. You can also put a bead, make a musical note with a bead, which would be super cool as well. So that's going to go up here. And then if you want to do more of a right angle, use your flat pliers, bring it across, and then bring this down here. And then to finish it off, we're going to get your round pliers again and just bring that to the back. Okay, so this looks like the musical note here, and you can just fix it up a little bit if you want, and you can actually just clip it there. You can do a full turnaround if you want, or you could just go ahead and clip it. So just pull it apart a little bit if it's going to be easier to access to cut it. So give it a little clip and then just flatten it there a bit. So there's, you've got your musical note. So to finish it off here, you can just flip it over, put your little round pliers sort of in the tip here, and then just bend this slightly to the front. And then what you can do is just clip that off here. So just clip that little end, because you want the ends to be finished in a way that they're not going to be sharp. So just take that, give it a clip, and then you can just pinch this in so it's flush, and it's not going to be showing because it's going to be kind of behind the S. And then what you can do is actually just adjust it a bit to make it a more round. And then what happens is if you put a jump ring here and a jump ring here, you can hang it on a little necklace. So there you go, the name Shawn with a little musical note. If you'd like me to do your name, be sure to comment below for a chance for me to do your name, and suggest a little icon as well that would be cute with the name. And also check out my playlist of names that I've already done that I'll link up below in the description. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more DIY wire art and jewelry making videos. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I go live and when I post new videos. And be sure to comment below and let me know if you make some names out of wire. See you the next time.